हेलो बच्चों, आज हम ABCD अल्फ़ाबेट चार्ट को देखेंगे। A for apple, A for apple, B for ball, B for ball, C for cat, C for cat, D for dog, D for dog, E for elephant, E for elephant, F for fish, F for fish, G for grapes, G for grapes, H for hen, H for hen, I for ice cream, I for ice cream, J for jug, J for jug, K for kite, K for kite, L for lion, L for lion, M for monkey, M for monkey, N for nest, N for nest, O for orange, O for orange, P for peacock, P for peacock, Q for queen, Q for queen, R for rose, R for rose, S for swan, S for swan, S for swan, T for telephone, T for telephone, U for umbrella, U for umbrella, V for van, V for van, W for watch, W for watch, X for X-lab, X for X-lab, X for X-lab, X for X-lab, Y for walk, Y for walk, Z for zebra, Z for zebra, Z for zebra, Z for zebra. Thank you for watching video.